craving that perfect grilled taste without having to step outside? Whether it's raining, snowing, or you just want to keep things simple in the kitchen, an indoor grill can be a total game changer. We've fired up the top indoor grills of 2025 to find out which ones truly sizzle and which ones just fizzle. If you're ready to meet your new kitchen MVP, let's get grilling. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give a thumbs up or down, and let me know in the comments which grill you think is the best fit for your kitchen. I love hearing your thoughts and experiences, so don't be shy. Alright, let's get started. Number 1. Cuisinart Griddler Deluxe. The Cuisinart Griddler Deluxe is a true multitasker and a powerhouse in the world of indoor grills. If you're looking for versatility, this one's hard to beat. Yes, it's a bit on the larger side and the price tag is higher than some, but you get a lot for your money. The Griddler Deluxe easily transforms from a closed grill to an open, double-surface grill, which means you can cook up to 12 burgers at once. Perfect for family gatherings or meal prepping for the week. One of the standout features is the reversible plates. You get a grill pattern on one side and a flat griddle on the other, so you can switch between grilling steaks, making pancakes, or frying eggs. The Griddler heats up quickly and evenly, delivering crispy paninis, juicy chicken breasts, and burgers with those perfect sear marks that make your food look as good as it tastes. The high-heat sear function is especially impressive for getting that restaurant-quality finish. Another thing I love is the ability to set different temperatures for each plate, so you can cook bacon on one side and eggs on the other without worrying about overcooking either. The control knobs glow red while preheating and turn green when the grill is ready, which is a nice touch for keeping track of your cooking. There's also a side lever that lets you adjust the plate height, so you won't crush your food or lose any of that delicious melted cheese. Cleanup is super simple thanks to the dishwasher safe plates and a slide-in drip tray that catches all the grease. The included manual is actually useful, with clear instructions and even some recipes worth trying out. Overall, the Cuisinart Griddler Deluxe is a smart, flexible addition to any kitchen, and it's easy to see why it's a favorite among home cooks. Number 2. Zojirushi EB-CC15. Next up is the Zojirushi EB-CC15, which takes a slightly different approach to indoor grilling. This model is more of an open grill, so it requires a bit more patience than a contact grill, but the results are definitely worth it. In our tests, it took about 10 minutes to cook 6 burgers and around 20 minutes for salmon, which is over twice as long as most closed grills. But here's the thing, the food came out perfectly cooked, with attractive grill marks and a juicy, tender texture. Even though it doesn't have a lid, there was surprisingly little smoke during use, which is a big plus if you're grilling indoors and don't want to set off your smoke alarm. The Zojirushi is quite large, so it will take up a good amount of space on your countertop, in the dishwasher, or wherever you choose to store it. If you have the room, though, it's a solid choice for anyone who values even cooking and a classic grilling experience. Number 3. Hamilton Beach Searing Grill with Window. If you prefer an open grill but want a little more convenience, the Hamilton Beach Searing Grill with lid window is our top pick. This grill is spacious enough to handle 6 burgers at once, and it delivers deep grill marks that really mimic the look and taste of an outdoor grill. The lid doesn't press down on your food, but it does help retain heat, speed up cooking, and contains smoke and odors, which is great for keeping your kitchen smelling fresh. Cleanup is a breeze. The grill grate and drip pan are both dishwasher safe, and the lid can be removed for easy hand washing. The window in the lid is a nice touch, letting you keep an eye on your food without lifting the lid and losing heat. Overall, this grill offers great performance and convenience, making it a fantastic option for anyone who wants to enjoy grilled food indoors without a lot of fuss. Number 4. Breville, the Perfect Press. The Breville Perfect Press is a compact, stylish, and extremely easy-to-use grill, thanks to its single-setting operation. While it's designed mainly for paninis, it can also handle up to 3 burgers or chicken breasts at a time, making it more versatile than you might expect. The flat plates mean you won't get those classic grill marks, and they aren't removable, but they do wipe clean with very little effort. If you're particular about cleaning, the non-removable plates might be a drawback, but on the flip side, there's less hassle with assembly and storage. My main issue is with the crush control feature. It's supposed to prevent squishing, but in practice it didn't rest evenly on thick paninis, which led to some uneven browning. On the plus side, the unit locks for vertical storage and has built-in cord storage, making it easy to tuck away in a cabinet or on a shelf. Number 5, Cuisinart Griddler 5. Last but not least, the Cuisinart Griddler 5 is a stylish and versatile grill that's similar to the Griddler Deluxe, but in a more compact package. It works in both open and closed positions, with grill and griddle surfaces, so you can cook a variety of foods. While it's smaller, holding 4 patties when closed or 8 when open, it really shines with chicken and salmon, which come out beautifully bronzed and full of flavor. This model features an LCD screen for precise temperature control, lighted bars to track preheating, and a timer that counts up or down. However, all the functions are managed by a single knob, which can be a bit confusing at first. The drip pan slides in, but figuring out its placement may take a little trial and error. One thing to note, the handle edges get quite hot during longer, high-temperature cooking. Not hot enough to burn, but it's something to be aware of. Overall, the Griddler 5 is a solid, flexible choice with just a few minor drawbacks. So, which indoor grill takes the crown? For versatility, power, and flawless results, the Cuisinart Griddler Deluxe is our top pick. It's the ultimate all-in-one grill for any home chef, and it's sure to become your new favorite kitchen companion. Happy grilling!
Thanks for watching. I hope you found it helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great content. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an upload. I also encourage you to check out the description below for more information on the topics discussed in this video. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.